Allison, we've heard the word miraculous so many times out here in Naperville and Woodridge tonight. You know, injuries, but no deaths, as you said. And tonight, survivors are telling us their stories. Tonight, a flattened home in Naperville on Princeton Circle off Ranch View, where a couple in their 60s lived.
You can't imagine anybody would live through that.
Katie Long Piper's home is next door.
They don't know if it's inhabitable.
When she stepped out last night, she had only one concern for the couple.
Where are they? He was awake and alert and doing good. She was on the phone today, talking with her daughter. So, that's a miracle right there, considering they weren't in their basement.
Their niece was able to pull jewelry and heirlooms from the rubble today.
Luckily, all the family photos and everything important is saved, like files, and just like a bunch of albums of like weddings.
Nearby in Woodridge, Bruno Pluta lost his garage and part of his home, but he and his family are perfectly intact.
You won't be staying here tonight, will you? Where do you stay?
I'm going to go with my daughter.
Lorelei lost part of her roof, but is holding on to one of the only things that matters.
It was pretty devastating.
Without a basement, she jumped into the bathtub at her ranch.
I was scared. It was very loud. It was the freight train sound.
Bridget Casey shows us how she lost nearly everything last night, but not two priceless items.
My husband's ashes, and then my kids made sure that our bearded dragon got out too.
She and her 4 kids are safe.
I'm just happy that no one got hurt. That's the only thing to smile about.
In total, we know about at least 11 people were injured, but again, no deaths, and none of those injuries life-threatening. Here at Thomas Jefferson Junior High School in Woodridge, they are setting up a shelter, an overnight shelter here. The Red Cross is doing that, and we know a few people are inside. We're live in Woodridge. Natalie Martinez, NBC 5 News.
Natalie, thank you. NBC 5's Lexi Suter joins us now with how people are stepping up to help others through this very difficult time. Lexi, this is really inspiring.
Allison, we have seen all of this destruction, but what you haven't seen are some really important images, the incredible show of support, neighbors and strangers coming from towns away and blocks over to help others get on their feet as fast as possible. One by one, strangers began showing up.
When they come over, I didn't know they are my neighbor.
This home and its yard suffered some serious damage Sunday night, while houses just 2 doors down remained perfectly intact.
I only live 2 blocks away, and we did not sustain any damage.
The people here cleaning up all live nearby, but most say they've never met. That did not stop them from jumping in wherever needed.
I don't necessarily know everyone here, but we're all together helping, and we have one goal.
The American Red Cross is here. We are serving free chicken dinners.
The Red Cross also making its rounds in this area near 75th and Ranch View Road. And on most corners, you'll see bottles of water and snacks dropped off by people hoping to help in any way. And in Woodridge, a volunteer from Downers Grove here to help anyone who could use him and his chainsaw.
I came to help people because it's devastating.
Despite all the sadness, seeing the kindness of strangers is truly a silver lining.
Especially after this year. This has been such a hard year, and just to see everybody out helping and looking out for each other, and yeah, it's been pretty amazing.
I'm really happy, so I'm lucky.
And despite it all, that homeowner still calling herself lucky tonight. Most of the debris in her yard has been cleaned up, again, thanks to her neighbors. We're live in Naperville. Lexi Suter, NBC 5 News.